Welcome to Idiots on the Road, where cars, chaos, and comedy collide. From shocking crashes to funny street moments, we bring you the wild side of driving. Stay tuned, because every second here keeps you hooked. These people sat in the middle of the road like it was their living room. But karma doesn't give his permission. It dragged them straight off the road. This man tried to outrun fate, but destiny was parked beside the police. One brutal crash, and the chase ended before it began. This driver might have escaped the scene, but he couldn't escape the consequences. This driver's desperate act is a brutal lesson in how a simple accident can turn into a criminal offense. One careless move, one fast car, and suddenly karma rides shotgun. Looks like this driver's brake pedal went on vacation just when they needed it most. This man thought he was a race car driver, but the road quickly showed him the difference between fast and reckless. This woman tries to turn a traffic jam into a brutal drag race, but these protester was ready to deliver a lesson in road manners. They thought they had the street locked down with a simple rope. But this driver proved that some roadblocks are easier to untie than others. These ladies thought sitting on the road was a good way to make a point. But this driver decided to demonstrate the real power of a gentle push. This driver tried to defy the protest. The protest welcomed him with drums and cameras he wasn't ready for. Some drivers see a roadblock and turn around. This one saw a roadblock and turned his car into a bulldozer. A simple traffic stop turned into a full-blown crisis. It's a brutal reminder that when road rage takes over, even the police need backup. They declared war on the law, but they forgot the law always brings heavier reinforcements. What happened when the roadblockers meet with idiots drivers? He tried to clear the road single-handedly, but some human obstacles are just too stubborn to move. The protesters were ready for a peaceful sit-in, but they were no match for this heavyweight champion of road rage. The protest had the road completely shut down. But when the ambulance lights flashed, the crowd remembered that some things are more important than a protest. You can be the safest driver on the road, but some things you just can't see coming. Like a runaway tire with a mission to destroy your front end. He got hit from behind, but the front wheel took it personally and decided to make a run for it. See the result when the idiot's drivers forget to push the brake of car on the road. This driver recklessness turned a peaceful traffic stop into a chaotic pileup. Always keep your distance. Trucks don't have brakes for your mistakes. Like you can see how this driver saved self from a truck. This driver tried to show off his driving skills, but the sidewalk was not impressed. Then the car behind him delivered the final verdict on his attempt. This driver thought he could sneak onto the road without waiting his turn. But karma arrived instantly, and it came in the form of a high-speed collision. Sometimes the heaviest machinery laughs at rules, and the road becomes a battlefield. This garbage truck decided to take out the trash itself, flipping over to make its final delivery. This car driver challenged a giant and learned a brutal lesson. On the road, size matters. His ego wrote a check his car couldn't cash. This is what happens when you confuse your gears. A simple turn became a painful lesson in why R is for reverse, not for going forward. Car driver. His attempt to pass turned into a perfect pit maneuver on himself. An aggressive move that instantly backfired. When both drivers think they have the right of way, chaos is the only result. This is a classic example of what happens when two idiots collide. Stopping or slowing at a turn isn't optional. It's a lifesaver on the road. Open roads feel safe, but respect and caution still rule. Your space isn't guaranteed. Don't let fear or haste dictate your steering. Control always comes first. Traffic signals exist for a reason. Patience can save lives, hurry can take them. It's like playing. How many times can you be dragged from the road before you realize your protest tactic is a complete failure? A moment of haste teaches a hard lesson. Patience on the road saves more than time. Was it ego, impatience, or just pure blindness? Whose fault was this intersection fail? The protesters thought they had the road locked down. They just learned that a determined bodybuilder is a force of nature. This is what happens when you decide to pull out of a parking spot without looking. Imagine you're driving peacefully when a reckless spin suddenly cuts into your lane. Would you react in time? In traffic, don't race the clock. Rushing only buys you dents, fines, and regret. When the red light feels like a concert stage, what would you do if this dancing queen blocked your car?